Hey, what up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a quick one on how to replace the oil on a TR3650 manual transmission in a 03 Mustang GT. The oil what I'm going with is going to be a Mercon V. It's an automatic transmission fluid. That's what it's required to go in there. So I'm going to show you how to get that thing done. Here's the car. So what you want to do is you want to raise the car up, get it elevated where you can get underneath the car, and then what you want to start off is opening a fill plug first, just in case your drain plug opens but you can't open a fill plug, so you want to go with that. All right, so this is back of the car, underneath the car. As you can see, the drive shaft right here, and the fill plug is going to be right here on the side. I don't know if you can see that. Let me see from here. Gonna be right there where my finger is. That's the fill plug. So what you want to do is you want to kind of loosen that up, make sure that one comes up before you do the drain, because if you cannot get the fill plug loose but you get the drain out, so it's gonna be hard to refill the transmission. So let's test that one out, and then we're gonna drain it. The drain plug is right here. So I got my ratchet up here. The drain plug the fill plug breaks loose, easy, no problem. So now we're just gonna do this one, and this one goes too. All right, so let's drain this and then we'll fill it up. All right, now that we have oil drained, I went and removed the fill plug up here, which is right here. So now we're gonna put 3.2 quarts of oil, and this is my setup. It has a pump on top of the bottle. So now we're just gonna fill it up and put the plug back. All right, here's the setup, and this is the nozzle that is gonna go in. So it's gonna go right there. All right, start pumping, old man. And just like that, we're gonna transfer oil from that to the tranny. All right, the oil has been filled. I'm gonna stick my finger through here to see how far it is. It's right there. All right, that's what it takes. It takes 3.2 quarts to fill the transmission, and that's how you fill it through the side. She's got a fresh oil in the transmission, and that was a part of the other video that I was making. I was changing a clutch on it. If you want to check that out, it's on the channel too. And I appreciate you guys for watching. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.